Hello everyone. So want to cancel your YouTube TV subscription from your iPhone? So here is a quick walkthrough using your mobile browser. So first sign into Google account linked to your YouTube TV membership. Now once signed in, tap your profile icon again and then go to settings. And then next tap on membership, and this is where you manage your subscription and everything else. So now tap manage and then choose cancel membership. The cancel button is on the bottom right. So and that will cancel your YouTube TV membership. Now you will still have access to YouTube TV until your billing cycle ends, unless you are on a free trial, in which case cancellation is immediate. Now if you just need a break, you can pause your membership instead, and you can actually pause your membership for up to 6 months. And when you're done, YouTube TV will save your settings for later. You can come back and resubscribe anytime. And that is how you can cancel YouTube TV on your iPhone.